Hey, what's up guys? Today we got this 2014 Jeep Wrangler with a broken light right there. So we're gonna replace this side marker light on the fender here. So here's what I got from the dealer, and there's a whole bunch of numbers on it if you need a part number. This is the passenger side. So there's 6078988-10, okay? And there's a whole bunch of other numbers on this. And if you need any of those, you can get those. And inside this box, we have a little light. So this sits inside like that. So all you need to do is push on this clip and this thing comes down and it slips off those little clips right there. So this is what we're gonna be changing, okay? Okay, so usually if your contacts touch in there, and your fuse will probably blow. So what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be a very simple process. We're gonna have to come down. Let me just try to sit down here. And so we can look down below. So right down here, you have this rubber, this plastic rubber. We're gonna have to break that. We cannot reuse that. And then we can pull off this little bit of fender here. We can remove that clip if we need to. So let me get a cutter and we're gonna remove that clip. Once you cut this, you cannot reuse it, but I'll try to find a clip, something that will take its place. If you cannot find anything, you could put a zip tie, but really not necessary. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna try to break this little guy off. It's still not out of there. So guys, let me get this off and then I will show you how we're gonna do the rest. Okay, once this break apart all the way, you should be able to push this thing right out of there. And if it still doesn't come, continue breaking it. But let me try to use my fork here, see if it comes out. There you go. Okay, so even I can probably reuse this little guy. Okay, I'm gonna pull it all out. Yep, nope, not even gonna reuse it. So once this is out, you should be able to move this whole housing here. We're not gonna pop this one off. All right, so what we're gonna do here is, let's move this out of the way. And so see, this is light. It doesn't go through it because the light is just separate piece. Once you pop that clip off on the top, which is already broken, this should slip right through with a little bit of force. With one hand, I'm not gonna be able to do it, but with two hands, you should be able to knock it out. Let's see if I can put this camera here. Hopefully the camera can see it. Okay, and here it comes. And there you go. This little guy is out of there. Okay, now to put it back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna carefully put this in there. So just be careful, you do not break that upper little clip. So let me try to manage my camera here somewhere and we'll continue. Sorry about this crazy angle, but all right, let's take this bulb out. You can remove this little guy out of there. Let's put it to the side. And we're gonna try to slip this in there. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna yank back and try to yank this plastic forward. It is a little tricky. Okay, once it goes in place, it's just gonna sit there, okay? Your clip retainer is gonna go in there. And you're gonna have to probably put something here, or you're gonna have a little bit of gap on the opposite side showing. So I would put a tie or a clip, some kind of retainer there. But anyways, don't forget to put your new bulb in, and then you can test it out. If your bulb fuse blew, try to look for the fuse. Just check all your fuses, And don't forget to put this, trying to get this out of there, the broken piece. Anyways, I had to get a flathead screwdriver for that one, because this is not coming out so easy. Okay, so I managed to remove this little guy, and I'm gonna click that in, and we're all done. Where is this? Okay, there you go. Alright, so put something here if you like, a zip tie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share it, and like. Okay, it was tough to get it in there. All I did was put some 3040 on it. So to replace this bulb, it's 194. Okay, that's the bulb size you need. To replace the bulb, all you turn it, pull it out, and put it right back in. So that's it, we're done here. So this little guy, if you want to put this little piece, if you was able to save anything off it, so mine did save up a little bit, because it will hold up a little bit, you know, it will hold up a little bit for you in there. So if you want to get this in there, it's all up to you. Oops, came right back out. They should have had made something better to put a screw, you know, at least a small little screw. Nothing else. I gotta pick here. Why am I struggling here? There you go. So what this is gonna do is, at least it's gonna line up. A lot of people, they leave this loose open, or you could use like a number 10mm bolt and stick it right through. But that should do it right there also. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Voila, we got the new light in. So what we're gonna do is, let's go and we're gonna turn the knob. The light's on, the light's not on. Let me see what I'm doing wrong here. It's supposed to come on. There you go. Okay, the headlights are on, this is not on. Okay, we got a working light. There you go. But we don't have this one working. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you how to change this bulb. So if you got a Jeep, Wrangler, this is a Polar, and you need to change that bulb, you'll get an idea.